Namaste students, welcome back to your grade 5 maths class. Today we are going to see about fractions, continuation, multiplication of fractions. In the last class we have seen about addition and subtraction of fractions. Today we are going to see about multiplication of fractions. See children, exercise 7 sums, multiply, give the answer in the lowest terms. நம்ம ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி அதை எப்படி இன்னும் சிம்பிளர் ஃபார்ம்ல எழுத முடியும் அப்படிங்கறத இப்ப பார்க்க போறோம். See children, 3/7 into 6. I have written the solution 3/7 into 6. We can't cancel 7 and 6. It cannot be divided, yeah? So 3 6 are 18. I have multiplied only the numerator number. 3 6 are 18. The denominator 7 will come as it is. Then 18 by 7 is there. Now we are going to divide this 18 by 7. 7 2s are 14. The remainder is 4. Hence this 2, the quotient 2 I have written first. The remainder 4 I have written in the numerator. The same denominator 7 will come here. But understand children, 3 by 7 into 6 is 2. 4 by 7. This is the lowest term. Is it clear, ma? The next sum, 3 by 4 into 20 kilometer. If they mention here the kilometer, rupees, meter, the any units are mentioned there, the answer should be also mentioned with the same units. See ma, 3 by 4 into 20. I have taken the number alone. Here we can cancel these two numbers 4 and 20. When we cancel this, 4 1s are 4 5s are 20. Then this is 3 5s are 15. Therefore, here we have written as 15 kilometer. This unit must mention that. Are you understand, ma? Is it clear? The next one is the next exercise. The same, multiply and give the answers in the lowest term. See ma, 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. Here both the terms having numerator and denominator. The last sum and all we have seen only numerator and denominator on one fraction. On another side only numerator is there. Now it has both the numbers having numerator and denominator. This is 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. Here we are going to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. See, 1 3s are 3, 4 5s are 20, 3 by 20. Here further நம்ம வந்து இதுக்கு அப்புறம் எதுவும் டிவிஷன் பண்ண முடியாது. This is the last step. Hence we conclude here the answer is 3 by 20. Multiply and give the answer in the lowest terms. Here 4 by 35 into 7 by 2. Here we are going to cancel. See, 2 and 4 can be cancelled. 2 times 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And these two numbers can be also cancelled. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Now we are going to multiply the numerator in the numerator and write the answer denominator in the denominator. 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. And the answer is 2 by 5. Is it clear, ma? The next sum is the bird problem. Mallika has a 4 by 5 meter long ribbon. She cut off half of it to tie on her hair. What length of the ribbon did she cut? So we are going to write the solution as what is given first. Length of the ribbon is 4 by 5 meter. Hence I write here 4 by 5 meter. The next one, she cut off half of it. What is it, half of it? What she cuts? She cuts this 4 by 5 meter long ribbon. Hence we are going to write the statement as half of the 4 by 5 meter is equal to, இதை நம்ம எப்படி எழுத போறோம்னா 4 by 5 by half. அந்த 4 by 5 மீட்டர் இருக்க ரிப்பனை நம்ம ரெண்டா கட் பண்றோம், half-ஆ கட் பண்றோம் அப்படிங்கும்போது இந்த மாதிரி வரும். Now this will be 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. Here this 2 becomes 1 by 2 because here இந்த denominatorல நமக்கு எந்த நம்பருமே இல்லைன்னா ஃபிராக்ஷனை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நம்ம 1 தான் எடுக்கணும். அதனால இந்த 2 by 1 இருக்கிறது அந்த பக்கம் போகும்போது ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஆகும்போது 1 by 2 அப்படின்னு நம்ம தலைகீழ போடுவோம். இது நீங்க வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக்ல படிப்பீங்கம்மா. Now you just understood. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபிராக்ஷன் டிவைடட் பை இன்னொரு ஃபிராக்ஷன் வந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம எப்படி மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபிராக்ஷன்ஸ்ல எழுதுறது மட்டும் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. 4 by 5 by 2 by 1 வந்துச்சுன்னா 4 by 5 into இது ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஆயிடும் 1 by 2 அப்படின்னு தலைகீழ எழுதுவோம். Here 2 and 4 gets cancelled. Therefore 2 1s are 2, 5 ones are 5, 2 by 5 meter. Then the question what is asking that length of the ribbon. Therefore, length of the ribbon she cuts is equal to 2 by 5 meter. Is it clear, children? In a half-an-hour TV program, 1/10 of the time is taken up by advertisements. What fraction of an hour is taken up by advertisements? How many minutes is that? ஒரு டிவி ப்ரோக்ராமா ஒரு half-an-hour டிவி ப்ரோக்ராம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதில் 1/10 ஆஃப் த டைம் வந்து அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட்க்கு போகுது. நமக்கு எப்போதுமே ஒரு half-an-hour டிவி ப்ரோக்ராமில் அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட்கே நமக்கு டைம் போயிட்டு இருக்கு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரி they have given 1/10 ஆஃப் த டைம் வந்து half-an hourல 1/10 போர்ஷன் வந்து அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட்க்கு எடுத்திருக்காங்க. What fraction of an hour is taken up by advertisement? Then ஹவர்ஸ்ல அந்த அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் எத்தனை ஹவர் எடுத்திருக்கோம், ஒரு ஹவர்ல எவ்வளவு நேரம் எடுத்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு ஃபிராக்ஷன்ஸ்ல கேட்குறாங்க நமக்கு. Then how many minutes is that? அது மினிட்ஸாகவும் நம்மள கால்குலேட் பண்ணி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. See children, that we have written in the statement time taken by TV program. TV program or time எவ்வளவு நேரம்? Half an hour. That we have written first. Then 1/10 of the time is taken up by advertisement. Therefore, time taken up by advertisements is equal to 1/10. 1/10 அப்படின்னு வந்தாவே எப்படி நம்ம போடுவோம்னா 1/10. Then fraction of the question asked is fraction of hour taken by advertisement. Hence we have written fraction of an hour taken by advertisement is equal to this half an hour into 1/10. That is ஒரு program half an hour program அதில் advertisement 1/10 time. Therefore we are going to multiply these two things. This 1 ones are 1, 2 tens are 20. Therefore 1/20 of an hour is taken up by the advertisement. Now therefore fraction of hour taken by advertisement is 1/20 hour. Now we are going to calculate in minutes. Therefore time taken in minutes. We have calculated now in hours, children, that we are going to convert it into minutes because they are asking questions like that way. See here, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, ma'am? It is 60 minutes. Therefore, this 1 hour we are going to write as 60/20. Here, this hour is converted into minutes. Now, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 and 6 gets cancelled. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, the answer is 3 minutes. Therefore, the advertisement taken in minutes is 3 minutes. Is it clear, ma? Now, we are going to see some properties of multiplication of fractions. Fractionsல நம்ம இப்போ multiplication பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம்லமா, அதுக்கு சில ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் இருக்கு. 3 properties, basic properties. Any fraction multiplied with 0 is 0. That is 2/3 இருக்கு. இந்த நம்பரை நம்ம 0 கூட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 2 into 0 0. 0 by anything 0. Is it clear now? The same way, any fraction multiplied with 1 is the fraction itself. That is 3/5 into 1. Here 3 into 1 3/5. The same 3/5 will come. See, the same 3/5 will come here. The same way, fractions can be multiplied in any order. For this, இப்போ நம்ம 2/3 into 3/5 எடுக்கிறோமா? Here 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15. The same way, if you multiply 3/5 into 2/3, 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15. In both the ways, we get the same values. Hence, they have given the statement fractions can be multiplied in any order. First number, second question வந்தாலும் சரி, second number, first question போனாலும் சரி, நமக்கு வந்து கிடைக்கிற ஆன்சர் சேமாக தான் இருக்கும். ஆன்சரில் எந்த மாற்றமும் இருக்காது அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகேமா? Now, we are going to see about division of fraction. In exercise 11, we are going to see the division. Some children divide, give the answer in the lowest terms. See, the first sum is given as 6/7 divided by 3. This is a fraction 6/7 that we are going to divide by a whole number. How we are going to do this? See, 6/7. This division symbol changes to multiplication and this 3 changes to 1/3. Therefore, we get 6 and 3 gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Then the numerator alone we have to multiply. 2 ones are 2. The same way denominator 7 ones are 7. Here we are going to introduce a new topic called reciprocal in this division of fractions, children. See, when the division symbol changes to multiplication symbol, there we are introducing the reciprocal. This 3 changes to 1 by 3. Reciprocal means we are just converting the number numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Here there is no number, we have to consider 1 should be there. Therefore, when we convert into reciprocal, this 3 by 1 becomes 1 by 3. Is it clear now? Shall we move on to the next sum? Here 4 by 7 multiplied by 1 by 28. Or you understand, this 4 by 7 has no change. The first fraction does not change. The second number, the whole number is in here, no. Here there is no number in the denominator, then it should be considered there is 1. Therefore, when we get reciprocal, it becomes 1 by 28. Here also we are going to cancel 4 tables using 4 sevens are 28, 4 ones are 4. Then the numerator when we are going to multiply 1 ones are 1. Here denominator 7 sevens are 49. Is it okay, ma? Now we are going to divide a fraction by a fraction, ma. Before we have seen fraction by a whole number division. Now we are going to see a division by fraction by fraction. That is, see, this 5 by 3 does not change. The first fraction keeps as it is. The second fraction, this division becomes multiplication. This 15 by 9 becomes 9 by 15. Here we are going to cancel this 9 and 15 by 3 tables. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Then this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5. The same way, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Sorry. So 1 ones are 1. The denominator also 1 ones are 1. Therefore, the value will be 1 here. Is it clear, ma? Shall we move to the next sum similar to that? See, 24 by 11. The first fraction does not change. The division symbol changes to multiplication. 8 by 33 gets reciprocal. Therefore, it becomes 33 by 8. Now we are going to cancel these two numbers. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. The same way here, 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. Here, the numerator multiplication 3 threes are 9, denominator 1 ones are 1. 9 by 1 is 9. Now, we are going to see one word problem for division of fractions, children. See, the cost of 2½ kg potatoes is rupees 30. What is the cost of 1 kg of potatoes? You have already learned about this division, children. For 1 kg, whenever they are asking for 1, we have to do the division there. So, what is given there? The cost of 2½ kg potatoes. We have to write the statement what is given first. It is rupees 30. Now we are going to calculate for cost of 1 kg of potatoes. Therefore, cost of 1 kg of potatoes is equal to rupees 30 divided by 2½. This 2½ is a mixed number, ma. Hence, we are going to convert this mixed number into a improper fraction. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, 5 by 2. Therefore, we are going to calculate like this way, ma. Rupees 30 divided by 5 by 2. Here already 30 is there, divided by a fraction. So, this we are going to just 30 into 2 by 5. Let's see, division symbol changes to multiplication and the number in the denominator fraction is changes to 2 by 5. Now we are going to cancel 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, which is equal to 6 2s are 12. This rupees 12. Therefore, the cost of 1 kg potatoes is rupees 12. Is it clear, ma? We have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Then only we are going to divide here. Then this division changes into multiplication. And the reciprocal also comes. 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5 using reciprocal. Students, I hope you have understood the multiplication and division of fractions what we have seen today. I have attached the worksheet file along with this video. You do the sums regularly, children. Thank you.